आज लेके आऊँ लॉन्चपुल का न्यू प्रोजेक्ट जिसका नाम है एचपी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। गेट लॉन्चपुल प्रोजेक्ट हैशटैग 318 हाइपर प्रोटोकॉल एचपी स्टेक बीटीसी और एचपी टू क्लेम एयर ड्रॉप 16 September 2025. Get Launchpool is set to launch project hashtag 318 Hyper Protocol. HP users can stake BTC or HP to share 1882531 HP tokens for free. Airdrop rewards are distributed orderly. Airdrop details staking period September 17, 2025 at 9 UTC, September 22, 2025 at 9 UTC. Total staking reward 1882531 HP. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Stake to earn now. Unlocking rules. Unlock 100%. Get Launchpool allow users to stake in advance. You can stake your assets before the official launch of the project to ensure your start earning rewards as soon as money bank. Users who stake BTC and choose or remanded into simple earn 7 days fixed term products can enjoy 70% extra airdrop rewards on top of their original staking earning. Learn more. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Reward distributions. The system will distribute tokens reward to users support accounts every horse based on the proportions of assets staked by each user. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get launch pull FAQs, how to participate, log into your get account and complete identify verification, navigate to launch pool, hold at least 0.00001 BTC 1 HP, click stake. Exclusive stakings limited privileges for VIP users. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stakings limited when participating in launch pool with up to 500% staking limited bonus. VIP level BTC pool maximum staking amount per users VIP 4 10 BTC, VIP 5 15 BTC plus 50%, and VIP 6 20 BTC plus 100%, VIP 7 26 BTC plus 160%, VIP 8 34 BTC plus 240%, VIP 9 45 BTC plus 350%, VIP 10 to VIP 16 60 BTC plus 500%. Project informations hyperprotocol provide regulations compliance chains abstract infrastructures where hypertrails clinic and introductions can ensure the strong valid data and process healthcare data while maintaining hyperpay GDPR and FHIR compliances for individuals. Hyperprotocol empowered users with full control over their health recorders, unlocking personalized benefits while ensuring privacy with zero knowledge proof and encryptions for healthcare providers. Hyperprotocol implements adoptions barriers by gas abstractions and seamlessly blockchain integrations, ensuring secure compliance and real-world read data solutions. Website https://hypo protocol.ai. Get Labs investment disclosures. Get Labs did not invest in Hyperprotocol HP. Not Get Launch Pool is an inviting staking airdrop platforms where users can orally airdrop of training and newly listed tokens by staking GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, GUSDD, or other tokens with low entry barriers and high APRs. It an easy way to capture some market opportunities. Second, please completely identify verification before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. 3. Please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating, and cheating behaviors is prohibited, which will result in deficiency of the reward. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. 4 point in case of discrepancies between the translated and the original English versions, and the English versions shall prevail. 5 point get receivers are right to the final explanations. 6 point this event is not affiliated with apply in. Seven point users in the United Kingdoms and others restricted locations connected access the service, including the participations in this event, game, or competitions. See the user agreement for features details on restricted location. Risk warnings as a blockchain startup still in its early stages. The project may and Willow's significant risk is in versions aspected, including options underlinking technologies and the legal and regulator. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Legal and regulatory environment. Second, understanding blockchain startups and messaging their Instruct risks required advanced technically and financial knowledge due to influences from technology, regulatory frameworks, market conditions, and other factors. The project you participate in may experience a significant price volatility with the price potentially risking or falling sharply due to issues related to the underlying technologies of the project on or the get trainings platforms. You may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project due to issues related the underlying technologies of project or the get trainings platforms. You may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. Five cryptocurrency projects are highly risky by nature, and cryptocurrency price and highly volatile. So the project team does not providing an form of marrying price commitment of draw side protections. Please ensure you full understand the risk and area capabilities of bearing them before participating. Will the platform strongly warns of potential risk? It cannot assume liability for any investment discussions or product any cruelties or competitions. Get in September 16, 2025. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Get Task. Take actions now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward. Invited friend and earn for 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app. iDesktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community or to discuss trading topics. Engaging with our globally community for the latest in settings, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receipts. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Announcement: new crypto listings get to list open VPP OVPP for sport trading 10 hours 55 minutes 3 seconds ago. Alternating listings get to list Synodex SYNT for sport tradings. Get listed traders as trade Petroli contract USDT M get has completely uploads APX migrations to S trade and launch Astra tradings. GetX 0G OG launch OG ecosystem week featuring simple earn and candy drop and features trade uh, competing. Announcement regulations adjusting the list time of open VPP or VPP. Get will resumes deposit withdrawals and tradings for APE and PEPE. APEPE. Entirely listings gets to list OG for sport tradings get launch pool project hashtag 322 dial DL stake GUSDD or ZL to claim airdrop. Get to list him HEMI for sport tradings. Get to list BNB estigation service BAS for sport tradings. Get to list open VPP OP OVPP sport tradings and launch pool Intelli listings get to sport Lowboard BARD for features tradings Megring loans and Boost copy CO Intelli listings get to list AIA perpetually contract USDD Intelli listings get to list Lombard BARD for sport trading. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Announcement to top VIP users benefits join token 2049 get a side event free token of love music festival ticket get August 2025 transparency report globally presence and definite ecosystem powered login Trump's copy holder GUSD to enjoy dual interest 4.4% US bound yield plus extra launch pool reward. Get alpha point systems launched airdrop rewarded all the way. Features mall phase 1 trade to win Tesla Model Y. Get to list Open VPP for sport trading get alpha airdrop phase 46 world limited time claim get alpha like lucky pool and trust yours hunt P9 pro trails limited time claim entirely listings get to list syndicate SYNT for sport trading get has a completely oming network OMNI migrations to Nomic ONOM. Get list traders assets perpetually contract USDTM get has completely alpha APX migration to trade strict and launches extra trading sim get X OG launch OG systems week featuring simple earn candy drop and feature trading computing get will not support data ownership protocol DOP token swap and will delete trading market announcement rating adjusting the listing time of open VPP or VPP. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Hyper protocol provided are regulations, compliance chains, abstract infrastructures where hospitals, clinics, and introductions and secure storage, valid data, and process healthcare data all will maintaining HIP double A, GDPR and FHIR compliances for individually hyper protocols empower users with full controls over their health recorded unlocking personalized benefits will ensuring price with zero knowledge before proof and inspirations for healthcare providing hyper protocols implementing adoptions barriers by gas applications and simulations blockchains integrations ensuring secure uh, compliant and real world ready data solution. Total rewards 1882531 HP starting time 17 September 2025 ending time 22 September 2025 ended in 1 days 18 hours 2 minutes. Pool BTC HP total staking rewards 1400.00 HP mining period 5 day total staked 1864.33722829 BTC participate 2583 price pool Horalic cap 1166.66 HP individually Horalic reward cap 1166.66 HP APR 2.73% individually staking cap 10 BTC. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Healthcare data blockchains hyper protocol HP trading competitions with a win up to 86.210 HP each. Get is currently holding the hyper protocol HP trading competitions. Join right now and share the 1129518 HP reward prize pool. Join now. Company's periods September 18th, 2025, 8 a.m. October 2nd, 2025, 8 a.m. UTC activity 1 execution benefits for newcomers claim on an extra 460 HP reward each during the event. The new users who registers and completely the trading task can share a prize pool of 220.00 SP on a first come first survived basis. Uh, Task 1 completed your first spot trade of at least $200 or your first features trade of at least $500 to receive 230 HP task to reach cumulative spot trading volume of $1,000 or cumulative features trading volumes of 3000 to receive an additionally 230 HP new users register features options guide activity. Second, a race to the HP trading sale leaderboard up to 80.00 HP reward each during the event. Users who have no less than $500 HP sport trading volume can share the 799.518 HP rewarded based on their HP sport trading volume ranking. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Ranking reward minimum HP trading volume person 180.00 HP 10.00.00 dollar second 64.00 HP 8.00.00 332.00 HP 400.00 4 to 50 equally share 160.00 HP 450.00 dollar other uh, use other share for 63.518 HP based on spot trading volume proportions 500. Trade now HP USDT activity 3 invited friend enjoy up to 5750 HP referral bonus each during the event invited a friend to register and completely support trading volume of $200 or features trading sim volume of $500 to each 45 HP reward the total price pool in 110.00 HP the and Each invited can earn up to 5750 HP in rewarded. The more a friend you invited, the more reward you can earn reward and distributed on the first come first served basis. Total referral reward 1 to 5 4 5 HP person, 6 to 20 65 HP person, 21 115 HP person. Notice all participants need to click the joining now button and completely identify verifications. The event needs to be eligible for rewarded trading volume, buy volume, sale volume. The total reward for this event is 1129. 518 HP reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the company's end is the users of duplicated accounts and any other cheating behaviors such as inflations of trading volume blick registrations of fake account self tradings or matching etc are still prohibited multiple accounts with the same identify verification information will be traced as the same account subcontinent cannot participate in the activity. Market marks, corporate dress, and institutional accounts, affiliated agent, and participators accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. If the users participate in the other some activities on get similarly, they will only receive the reward for one activity where any discrepancy is erased between the translated versions and original English versions. The English versions shall prevail. Get your receivers are right to the final explanations. This event is not affiliated with Apple in INC. Users in the United Kingdom and other registered locations cannot access the service, including the participations in this event or competitions. See the users agreement for features details or registered locations who do not intended to security or connected marketing towards customers in such registered location. Get in September 18, 2025 gateway to crypto trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take actions, sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewarded invited friend and earn a 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit the Get official website. Download the Get app iDesktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Joining our Telegram community to discuss trending topics engaging with our globality community for the latest insidings, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of receivers. Joining now Hyper Protocol HP trade competition. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Event when up to 86210 HP. Each event ends in 11 days, 16 hours, 52 minutes. 18 September 2025, 13 UTC, 2 10 2025, 13 UTC. Register now. Get is currently holding the Hyper Protocol HP trading competitions. Joining right now and share the 129,518 HP rewarded prize pool. Register now. Activity 1 exclusive benefits for newcomers claim and extra 460 HP reward. During the event, new users who registers and completely the training task can share a prize pool of 2 to 0.00 HP on first come first survive basis. Task 1 completely the first sport trade of at least 200 or your first features trade of at least 500 to receive 230 HP. Task 2 reach completize sport tradings volumes of 1000 or completize features tradings volume of 3000 to receive an additionally 230 HP. Trade now activity to race to the HP trading leaderboard up to 80.00 HP rewarded each. During the event, users who have no less than 500 HP sport tradings volume can share the 799.518 HP rewarded based on their HP sport tradings volume ranking. Ranking reward minimum HP tradings volume person 1 at 0.00 HP 10.00.00 second 64.00 HP 8.00.003 32.00 HP 4.00.00 uh, 4 to 50 equally share 16.60.00 HP 45 point 00.00. Activity 3 invited friend enjoy up to 5750 HP referral bonus invited now each. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. During the event, invited a friend to register and completely sport tradings volume of 200 or features tradings volume of 500 to earn 45 HP rewarded. The total prize pool in 110.00 HP and each invited can earn up to 5750 HP in rewarded. The more friendly you invited, the more reward you can earn. Reward and distributed on a first come first survive basis. Get English community. Joining the Get English community to discover trading event, start a share and win up to 100 every week. Note: all participating need click the joining now button and completely identify verification before the every ends to be eligible for reward. Second tradings volume by volume and sale volume. The total reward for the event is 1129.1518 HP. Reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the complaining ends. For the users of duplicated accounts and any other cheating behaviors such as inflations of trading volumes, black registrations of faking account, self trading order batching. Each are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity verifications informations will be translated or traded as the same account. Subcontinent cannot participate in this activity. Market marks cooperated and individually accounts affiliated agent and participate accounts are not eligible to participate in this event. If the users participate in others activity on get stimulously, they will only receive the reward from one activity. When any dispenses accessories between the translated versions and the original English versions, the English versions shall prevail. Get receivers are right to the Final explanations. This event is not affected with appliances users in United Kingdom and others. Registers locations cannot access the service, including the participations in this event or competitions. See the features for features detail or on registers locations. We do not intended to scale or connected makings towards customs in such registers location. Official website. White paper. Executor overviews the need for a detected healthcare blockchains availability of healthcare data as a circulator for advancement in health and medical such as during discovery obtains sufficient high quality data analysis addressing creatine challenge. These challenges included balancing privacy and utilization securing repeating the constant incentivizing data sharing understanding some data right and managing labeling recorder. To the tackle these issues, the Hippocrates set out to eligible qualified protocols for healthcare data. These protocols will focus on patent data self documentation, digitalized governance, and sustainable investing models. Since it rebranding in 2030. Hippocrates has been committing to transforming healthcare data usage by empowering patents with control over uh, their data through invitations platforms like Hippocrates, which will be upgraded into data hypo telemedicine solutions for and servers rejections and strategies partnerships within institutory leads including secure care center Myers hospital and Ansys Medical Institute. Hippocrates has built a reviewed digitalized healthcare ecosystems currently, and the network support over 4 million unquick health check up respondents with 1.4 million updating their data analysis positions it as a leader in digitalized healthcare data solutions. However, despite this progress, significant challenges remain the reliance on extending blockchains and Fratex limited customizations for healthcare specifies need making integrations within legacy systems difficulty. Additionally, transactions cost on Ethereum maintaining hydra scalability will the lack of digitalized storage solutions completing with healthcare legations creator. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. uh, Bottlenecks for data management lastly compliancing with standards such as HL7 and data privacy regulations regarding some healthcare data remains a challenge. This is particularly due to the emphasis of negative data processing A model that ensures privacy and security. To address these limitations and fully relations realize it versions Hypocreated is launching the Hyper protocol, a layer 1 blockchain specifications destined for healthcare data. Hyper protocol will provide a secure, scalable, and user centrally infrastructures that enables seamlessly data exchanging will ensuring privacy and compliance with healthcare regulations. These transactions will also evaluate uh, the HP coin into a core utility assets province are digitalized healthcare economic. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Empowering pen and data sovereign. Today, numerous interactive companies have exploited their users' data storage on internal service to understanding some their advanced signing algorithms and develop more long creatives and products. Will this bonus model has made service consistent and cost efficient types for users. The downside is that users have surrender considerable control over their information. The data, the non-profit internationally organizations mydata.org introduced the concept of my data to address these issues. They introduced my data as part of a technically domain known as sovereign identity SSI, which expands into the realm of identity and allows an individual to use the internally will returning sovereign over their personally identity and data. This concept individual invoices. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Replacing the currently organizations centrally systems of managing and processing personal data with a human central one. Trading personalized data as a resource that individually and can assess and control. At Hyper Protocol, we adopt the philosophy of my data and self-sovereign identity, and we assumes to actualize this in healthcare and the healthcare security specifications in this circulate uh, critical and to enable data subject to making informed discussions to ensuring their complete productions will affect maintaining responsibility users or their data. If this is the activity, it called probably the invitations of the internet and digital technologies within the healthcare sector. Data ecosystems within incentives and open collaboration. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. The purpose of generating some adding some value to and utilizing say healthcare data influences the collaborations of urgencies stakeholders, including not only data subjects such as partners but also healthcare organizations, public agencies, and competencing all of these processings in cost or to products added volume. and without the writing incentives such as financially rewarded or volume added service to motivated each stakeholders, these collaborations will not be suitable. Hyperprotocol provided protocols that allows data to be traded and uni- uh, utilized based on the self determinations of the data subject, and when financial compensations is generated in the process, the computations is also distributed to the stakeholders who contributed to the connotations and processing of the data, included the data subject. In addition, all informations in the distributions process from the creating to utilizing of data will be transparent and recorded on the blockchains without the risk of tampering or foregrounds. So an environment will be created in which we can fully cooperate without replenishing on the trust of third parties. And those protocols are also not dominated by any particularly centralized entry by but by an open collaborative systems. The tools and service you see you are developed with the open standards and open source and policies and standards are determined by opinion discussions and consumers of these participating in governance. We aim to forget some global corporations to advance human health outcome. Introductions 1.1 versions and missions of hyper protocol. Healthcare data is one of the most valuable yet fragmented and utilized assets in the digital economics. Partners, healthcare providers, and researchers, strictly with influences cast by data source, regulatory registration, and privacy concept will uh, centralized entry community to hold a control over skinty's health information. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Hyper protocol is a layer on blockchain designed to address these challenges by empowering the point patents, digitalizing data ownership, and enable secure and compliant data transactions for health carriers and AI applications. By integrating privacy processing cryptographics models, digitalized identity DID, and scalable data storage and computations, hyper protocol is revolutionizing the way healthcare data. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Transactions for healthcare and AI applications by intelligence, privacy processing, the cryptographic models are digitalized Then TDID and scalable data storage and competitions hyper protocol is revolutionary to the way healthcare data is managed, shared, and monetized in the Web3 area. Our mission is to create a globally digitalized healthcare and data network where individuals and institutions can securely integrate exchange insighting and driving AI-powered innovations without compromising privacy, security, or regulatory compliance. 1.2 The need for detected healthcare blockchains scans it rebranding in 2023 hypercreated has been communicated to transforming healthcare data usage without digitalizations and patterns empowerment. Over the years, we have built a strong networks of over 4 million plus and quick health check up represented 1.4 millions of whom renew their data values. We have partners within institute leaders including Scalers, Korea's 1B2B health check solutions provided every medical technologies the fastest growing EMR service in the improving market St. Mary's Hospital and Science Medical Institute to created a trust ecosystems for healthcare data exchanging. Please guys like, share, follow my stream. Thanks a lot for joining my stream. However, explaining blockchains infrastructure poses critical limitations that hidden scalability, usability, and compliancing for healthcare applications. Some of the primary challenges included a high transaction cost, lack of customizations for healthcare data needs, data storage and processing bottleneck, regulatory and privacy barriers, complexities of blockchains of non-cryptic crypto users to overcome these limitations. Hyper protocol strategies to active claims chain applications ensuring users can interact with the protocols without needing to understand it. Blockchains, our cryptocurrency, magic and healthcare. Uh, Providers and partners can seamlessly use hyper protocol like an other applications with blockchain complex types including wallet management, transactions signings, and gas fee. The full abstracted from the user's experience. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. 1.3 How hyper protocol solve these challenge. Hyper protocol is designed to be a health organized layer 1 blockchains in protecting solutions for privacy, compliance, interoperability, and digitalized components. The protocol leverage exchange abstractions, decentralized storage, zero knowledge proofs, ZK proofs, SKOS AI computations, and completed data holding some mechanisms. More details on these invitations are covered in the technically overview selection. 1.4 The feature of healthcare data with hyper protocol within millions of users read on true on-border global partnerships in mutations and creating a digital AI-powered applications under development. Hyper protocol is set to become the foundationally blockchains for healthcare and exchanging and AI researchers by leveraging some privacy AI digitalized competence and scalability blockchains technology hyper protocols enables partners to have sparing controls over their healthcare data healthcare provider and AI researchers to assist completeness and high quality data sets for invitations valid data and hyper data does no and doesn't to earn uh, incentives will ensuring and digitalize healthcare data ecosystems as we move towards maintenance and launch. We invited developers, healthcare nutrition AI researchers, and the Web3 community to join Hyper protocols in shaping the features of digitalized healthcare data. 1.5 key benefits of a hyper protocol data serving some partners gain full controls over their health data eligibility, releasing on centralized entities and interoperability seamlessly and data exchange between healthcare providers, researchers, and patents will ensuring privacy and security. Low cost transactions, optimized microsections enable sufficiently real-time data transfer. Digitalized governance are community driving some networks where valid data and ecosystems stakeholders influences discussions making and sending some security and compliance built in front and features such as zero knowledge proof, ZK proofs, and HL7 FHIR compliance for security regulations, read and data handling. With millions of users supposed to joining the ecosystem, the Hyper protocols represented a circular step in redefining how healthcare data is managed, shared, and monetized in the Web3 area. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Challenge and solutions. Challenge one: scaling and the data protocol. Data security is fundamental to hyper protocols, which employs DID COMM and elliptic coverage, cryptographics, ECIES, and ECD H2 encrypted and security transmit data. Hyper protocols empower users with self-sovereign identity SSI by registering the digitalized identifies DIDs with the World Wide Web costume time W3C and issuing millions of DIDs in partnerships with leading healthcare introductions, thereby establishing a secure foundations for healthcare data storage and exchanging. Challenge to scaling and the data protocol. If users encrypt and transmitted data directly, this process can adhere to identifiers and duplications to solve this. Hyper protocols introduce hyper data nodes, which offers cryptographics and digitalized the data storage. DID holders can. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Graphics and digitalized data storage. GAD holders can detect data access control using uh, cryptographics signatures, easy ECDSA. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. SCHNORR, ensuring transparency throughout public recordings on the Hypo protocol blockchain. But how can we trust hyperdata and computations node? Hyperdata and computation node operates as a digitalized network of resource preventing and assigning single entry for manipulating and protected data. Every questions and disparitions require key aggregations from multiple nodes, ensuring security and scalability. Challenge 3 in incentivizing data providers will ensure enable. A key challenge is incentivizing data providers will keeping the data usable the strategies with standardizations and prices of healthcare data specific with it encrypted and not directly visible to buyers. Solution 1 standard data format. Hyper protocols adopts HL7 FHIR while recognized standards in healthcare technology. The activity utilize AI to privacy process and formatting the users data according to the HL7 FHIR. Solution to data valuations method. There is no establishing method for determining data value. Also science data is encrypted at the individual level of so the hyper protocol does not have access to contract. Hyper protocols has to funding and validation method to evaluate the volume of the contributed data. Options 1 is currently under GDPR of or similarly regulations of framework. Healthcare data can only be sold to a third party if it is both de-identified and transferability, which makes it very difficult to give different contributors of data varying some rewards based on the value of their data under HIPAA. Healthcare data can be traders as long as it is the identifier and under construct. Therefore, the valuations the is heavily depending on the jurisdictions. The owners of the data as in hyper protocols will directly and the issues by defining the processor from the data equally amongst all the contributors in this model users are standard registerless of their individually data's contributions to the outcome. Options to features hyper protocols will leverage privacy processing AI is fundamental leading to dynamic data value. The system's validations individually data as a value based on its contributions to the result, ensuring data provided receivers for fair incentives. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Launch pool cookies taking on potentially new tokens is 96.74 million cosm dice airdrop 1.83 million statement total reward 38.56 billion funds raised 6 million plus participate about launch pool video trials. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. ओके जी, तो अल्लाह हाफिज़, फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के साथ, न्यू टोकन के साथ। दुआ में याद रखिएगा, मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम को लाइक शेयर फॉलो लाजमी कीजिएगा। गुड बाय एवरीवन, अल्लाह हाफिज़।